today I'm going to be showing you how to assign quizzes in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you want to do is go to forms.office.com. Now, since you are probably already in Microsoft 365 or you are logged into Microsoft through your portal or whatever it may be, depending on who you are and why you came to this video, you should be logged into a Microsoft account when you are in Forms. So when you get to Forms, I'm not sure if you'll have any forms created, but there will be an option to create a new form or a new quiz. So what you want to click is New Quiz, and it will be very, very blank, very bare. You're going to title your quiz, and you're going to enter a description. So anything you want them to do, this is due on 5/8 of 2020, and any other instructions. This is where you are going to start creating your quiz. So this could be a multiple choice question. It could be a text where they have to do short answers, or a rating, or there are other options if you click down on this arrow. So most of us probably do multiple choice quizzes. So you will just write out your question and then you'll have your answer choices. Most of us have at least 4 options. So you just continue to click add options. And then let's say that the first answer choice is the correct one, and it will mark it as correct so that Forms can grade those questions for you. And then this is very important. You want to tell Forms how many points you want to give each question. So for example, I'll give this one 1 point. And if there are multiple answers, you can have 2 answers be correct. So if the question is which 2 are the correct answer, then it allows you to do that. Also, you can make it a required question. I don't usually use that option because all questions are obviously required, and if they don't do it, they won't get the points. But this is a feature nonetheless that's included. If you click on these 3 dots on the bottom right-hand side, they give you the option to shuffle the answer choices so that the students never see the same order of questions. So they can't say, oh, number 1 was A, because their A won't be the same as somebody else's answer choice A. There could be a drop-down option for math. It allows you to do equations. It allows you to enter the equations here. And you could do branching if that's something that you need to do. So that option is a little bit more advanced and deals with you answering a choice and then going to another area of the quiz when you are finished. But I don't need to do branching, so I'm going to go back. And I'm just going to leave it like that. So when you are done with your quiz, you're going to go back to Forms up here on the left-hand corner, and you're going to just make sure that your quiz is there. Now, in the next step, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to link this quiz into your Microsoft Teams assignments area. Now we're back with our old friend Teams, and here under the Assignments tab, which is right here, you will see all of your assignments, which hopefully by now you're familiar with if you're using Teams. So you're going to click Create, having already made your quiz in Forms, and you're going to choose the quiz option. Teams automatically chooses Forms and tells you to add the quizzes you created in Microsoft Forms to your assignment. So you can create a new form from here, but I recommend doing your quiz in the browser with forms.microsoft.com. So I'm actually going to use this quiz, which I created for my class, and then you click Next. And then I'm going to make sure that my title is correct. The points, it shows 9 because there are 9 questions. So it automatically already sets it up from what they got from Forms. So any further instructions or change of title I could do in here. If I needed to give it to only certain students, I could change that here, when I want to, and how many of my classes can have this quiz available to them. When I finish, I will just click assign right here. And that is it. That's all you have to do to create a quiz for your students and assign it through Teams. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this feature or any other resource, especially related to Microsoft Teams, please leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.